Yo, buddy.
Yeah.
I found out. There
What?
is the place where you could summon the
cheese
cheese ball monster. But should we do it? It seems scary there because it's dark and it has random big crates.
Should we get flashlight?
Okay, bro. Okay, let's.
Should I buy a mega one?
Nah. Mega ones. No, just this. No, I will only have one.
Yep.
It's better. It will make a bigger light. Cause I heard the cheese ball monster has like a bright skeleton thing.
Skeleton that looks like orangish.
Yeah, I know, right? Oh, what is that? Okay, who cares? Look here and just let's summon him. Put the flashlight here. Come, give me your flashlight. What is that noise? Wait. Okay, cheese ball monster. Cheese ball monster. Cheese ball monster. Ah!
Oh, cheese ball.
I think he likes cheese balls too much. Did he just make a
Mukbang.
I think he's gonna kill us.
Oh no.
Ah, he's a ghost. Run.